If you do this for 1 week, just 1 week, you hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Yaimin's Beautiful. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please guys do well to subscribe. Hit that like button, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. Thank you so much. On today's video, we're going to be talking about lemon. Yeah, lemon has great properties, great things for the skin. Yeah, it benefits your skin in so many ways, so many positive ways. It clears out your acne, it glows your skin, it grows your hair, your nails. It has high level of vitamin C which your body needs. It clears out toxins from your body. If you know you like to see more, get to hear everything about this lemon, please watch this video to the end, guys. So just look at it. This is lemon. This is actually a foreign lemon, but it's planted here in Nigeria. Yes, it's always good to use the natural lemon, not this. I won't advise you to use the store-bought lemon. That's the one that has been processed into liquid. I I advise you use the natural one. You pluck it, and you can buy it in the market like this. Then wash it thoroughly, ensure it's clean, and chop it into your glass or your teacup and add warm water. I didn't say hot water, warm water. Allow it to steep for a while and then drink it on an empty stomach. If you do this for 1 week, just 1 week, you will see very good results on your skin, your nails, your hair, that's see great, remarkable, positive results. Your nails will not be brittle anymore. It will be stronger. Your hair will grow thicker. Yes, thicker. Your skin will be glowing. You see all those acne, all those clogged pores. You see it clearing. It is very good. It contains high level of vitamin C. Yes, just know that the acid in this lemon can affect your enamel, your teeth. So immediately after drinking it, I won't say brush, because it has a, well, let's not go into that. But what I advise you to do is, after taking your lemon water, just rinse your mouth with water. That's best, instead of brushing it, you understand? So just rinse out your water. But guys, this is the real deal. This has high level of vitamin C. No need to peel it. Just for those of you that have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe and hit that like button. Comment if you have any questions or comments. Drop it down below and I'll reply. This is very good though. If you have any questions concerning this, drop it on the comment section below and I'll reply. Just know that lemon, we have all the things in